Calendify is a Chrome extension that automatically detects event details on web pages. It helps you quickly add them to your Google Calendar with just one click. Right-click anywhere in the page and select Calendify. A small window will pop up already pre-filled with most details. Check for any missing information and hit Add to Calendar. It can also detect any online meeting links, like the one you see here. Once you click on Add to Calendar, the event details will be transferred to your connected Google Calendar account. Sometimes it will fail to detect some details, in which case the Add to Calendar button will be inactive until the required information is provided. Here I'm testing across different pages with different event details, some of which don't have a specific start date, as you can see.